How to log in or sign in into your Coinjar account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm going to show you how you can log in or sign in into your Coinjar account. So then, to begin with this procedure, first of all, make sure that you already have an account. Now there's a simple procedure in order to log in into your Coinjar account. You can either use an application. So if you have not installed it, then head over to your Play Store, and then on the search box type in Coinjar app, and that's gonna appear something right over here. So click the install button. In my case, the application is not available, so I'm gonna use, so then exit out of your Play Store and then open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in coinjar.com. That's gonna direct you to their official page. So right on this page, you need to tap on the tab bar icon or the login button. Enter in your credential. That includes entering your email address or a phone number or use ID and a password, some sort of security fees. So go through it and provide in the valid information, and you'll be logged into your Coinjar account successfully. So in that way, you can log in into your Coinjar account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.